Despite being some of the most recognizable names in Silicon Valley, Hollywood, and beyond, these millionaires and billionaires weren't always living the high life. From the seedy streets of LA to the Bayview projects, these celebrities and entrepreneurs made it big after coming from nothing. Ed Sheeran is now one of the biggest names in music, but he started off as a struggling artist in London's bustling music scene. The singer would often spend nights sleeping in the London Underground train stations or on top of heating vents. There was an arch outside Buckingham Palace that has a heating duct, and I spent a couple of nights there. That's where I wrote the song Homeless and the lines "It's not a homeless night for me, I'm just home less than I'd like to be," Sheeran wrote in his book, A Visual Journey. Once, while playing a gig at a local homeless shelter, he met a drug-addicted prostitute named Angel. Sheeran was so moved by her story that he dedicated his song The A-Team to her. This song would become one of Sheeran's first breakout singles, catapulting him into the spotlight. Sheeran now sells out stadiums across the globe and has a net worth of $64 million.